I'm back again to take that coleus before it get hit by frost up and transplant it into a container to bring in as a houseplant. I'm going to pull that right out of there. First, get your pot. I just have a plain one here. Fill it up about halfway full of moist potting soil, and then trying to preserve as many roots as possible because you're moving this in and not just going dormant. A lot fewer roots came out than I hoped would, so I am going to have to cut this back more than I thought I was going to. If I had a good full root ball, I'd probably cut back by about 1/3. Something like this. You see, I'm always cutting just above a leaf joint where new sprouts are coming out. Those are where it's going to branch out and make a much fuller plant. But since I have so few roots that transplanted with this, I'm going to cut it back to its first joints. Right there. Now, before I started bringing these out, I sprayed them all down with insecticidal soap, and I've been doing that for about a week now. And before I take them inside the house, I'll probably additionally spray them down with neem oil. And this will sprout and make a gorgeous houseplant for the winter. I would keep after it like I do outside with just pinching off those leaf tops to keep it bushy. Especially being indoors, it's going to reach and stretch for the sun, and you want to keep it bushy. So keep on pinching off those leaf tops. Once you get, a couple nodes of growth on there, pinch it back, let it bush. A couple more nodes of growth, pinch it back, let it bush out. Now next year, if you want to put this back out in your containers or in your garden, do give it a good trim back again, because the leaves that grow are adapted to the amount of light it's getting in that spot. So if you take a house plant from indoors, if this was a house plant indoors all winter, and then you planted it out in maybe half a day of sun, which would normally be fine, but it's been indoors all winter, those leaves are used to a much lower light level. I'm going to be making a video talking about the different light levels and how much of a huge difference it makes going indoors versus outdoors. But it's not going to be used to it, so the leaves will burn. So right when you bring it back outside, give it another good trim back. You have good healthy roots for it to grow from, and the new leaves growing on it will be adapted for that light situation they're growing in. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you next time.